Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's reading is for zodiac Scorpio, and the question is what is going to happen with my dear Scorpio in the first 15 days of October. Okay, these are some cards from Dream of Gaia, and we will see these later. But I am going to shuffle your cards and let's see what is happening to you in the first 15 days of October. What is happening to my dear Scorpio in the first 15 days of October? What is going to happen with my dear Scorpio in the first 15 days of October? What is going to happen with my dear Scorpio in the first 15 days of October? Now you get this card of Nine of Pentacles. You are happy at this moment, at this time. You are thinking that you are enjoying your life. Okay, maybe you are out to uh, uh, some visit, or you are out for your tourist, and you are maybe you are visiting someone, or whatever you have. You are happy at this moment, at the first 15 days of October. Okay, and you are manifesting something over here. You are very determined. You want to do something. You want to get something, and you are doing a lot over here. You are making some magic or making some efforts to do it. You are changing something over here by praying, or by having some, what can I say, taweez or some charms. Okay, what else for my dear Scorpio? You are manifesting something. Oh, you want to maybe propose someone or apologize someone. That's why you are making efforts to do it. You want yourself to be happy, to enjoy your life. That's why you are doing this. You are apologizing someone. You are telling others that you are in love with someone, or you are telling that person that you love them, that you care about them, that you want to make them happy. And you are the goddess of love, with the Queen of Scorpio. The Queen of Cups is the Scorpio, and you are the goddess of love. And also, when you are angry with someone, you are very determined to do something bad to that person, to take the revenge of from that person. But whatever the situation is, you are at this moment, you are very happy in the first 15 days of October, and you are manifesting something over here, and you are telling some person that you are in love with them, you want to care for them, you are making the steps, making the some moments towards that person. And Three of Cups, you are happy at this moment. If you are single at this moment, then you are going to marry that person. Some proposal is coming towards you, or you are giving some proposal to that person, or your marriage is going to happen, or maybe you are enjoying your life. You are in some kind of party, you are going to a party and enjoying your life, or maybe you are happy at this moment. You are enjoying your life with your husband, wife, or your family. Okay, what else? Okay, you have no knowledge about something, and you also not want to search about it. Okay, you are doing something over here, and this is without knowledge, this is without wisdom. Okay, you're not using your mind over here. You want to, and you are manifesting this thing. You want to end this quarrel or some fight over here. You are manifesting these things, and you are happy in your life without any knowledge of something. Okay, and you are manifesting something with love. You want to make love, give loves to others. You want to make yourself happy. That's why you are giving the love to others, and that's why you are manifesting something over here. You want to end the quarrel. You want to end the fight with someone. Maybe you are fighting with that person. Okay, and now you want to end this fight. What else for my dear Scorpio in the 15 first days of Google. Now you have devil card upside down. You are revealing your true self, or someone is revealing their true self towards you, or maybe you are revealing this true self. You really want that person, and in the past you are showing them that you are not in love with them. You are you are showing them that you are a tough person. Okay, nobody can break you, nobody can do anything to, they are not able to control you, or make your mind towards them. Maybe they are proposing you, and you are just pretending that you are not in love with them, and now you are revealing your mask. You are telling them something truth about your life, that you are in love with them. Or maybe could also be the situation that you are proposing them because you have something in your mind, because you want to restrict that person, or you want to do something to that person. Okay, Queen of Wands upside down, that means that someone is not coming towards you, they are not agreeing with you, they don't want to give you anything, their love, their care, or they don't want to help you. They are at this moment very angry with you, they are aggressive and tempered person, and also they don't want to, they are playing the politics with you at this moment. And maybe someone is sexually attracted towards you, they are attracted towards your beauty, your physical beauty, not your mind, your soul, your only your physical beauty. And you are healing yourself over here with these three of cards upside down. You're healing something that makes your heart, that's break your heart. Now you are healing this situation over here. You think that there is some third party situation, or it's maybe okay. Now this is going to heal, this is going to heal. Or maybe you don't know, you are happy because you don't know that there is a third party situation. There's two situations. One is you don't know that there is a third party situation, and the next one is that you don't know that this person have nobody but you. This is all in your mind. Yes, this could also be the situation, and you are coming towards that person, making that person's mind to get towards you, to come towards you, but this person knows that, I think so. That's why they are angry with you. They don't want to do it. They think that they know that they are doing nothing bad to you. They are not betraying you, cheating you, and still you are not believe on that person. You have no trust on that person. That's why they are revealing to you that they have no one in their life except you. Okay, except you. What else? What else for my dear Scorpio? What else? Yes, you are going to have a clarity over this fighting, over this situation, over this manifesting to stop this fighting. You don't have the clarity over this situation. You don't know the truth of this situation. Okay, this is also, you think that there is a third party situation because there are three swans over here, but there is nothing over here. You have no clarity over it, and this thing is not going to change at this moment. This is the Death card, this is also the Scorpio card, and you are not going to change something over here, or this situation is not going to anywhere. It is not going to end, maybe. And someone from your past is coming towards you, and or maybe you are moving towards your past, someone from your past. What else? Okay, you are going away from your partner. You don't want to have any relationship with that person, and you are maybe breaking your having a break with that person. or separating from that person because you think that there is no love in between you both, whereas that person is right. And oh yes, definitely you are going to break your home, your love life. You are having a fight with this person. Okay, you are having a fight with this person. You are having not, you both have having no satisfaction or comfort with each other. That is not good, my dear Scorpio. What are you doing here? Your first four card is very beautiful, and now you are having these cards. You are missing your good time, your first good times with that person. You are missing that time when you are happy with each other, making love, making joking, making some fun with each other. You are missing that time. What else is happening with my dear Scorpio? Oh guys, I think with these situations you are going to have a divorce with that person. Look guys, I don't think that there is any third party situation, or that this person have that other person with them. No longer they have that person with them. Maybe if they have in the past, they left, they leave that person. Okay, so don't think that this person have that other person with them now. They love you, they like you, that's why they have only you in their life. You are not happy with this judgment, with this but the universe had given to you. The universe had given to you a true love, a true happiness, but you are manifesting here something bad. You don't know what is the right thing. Maybe you want to end this world. That I know that you have someone in your life. I know that you are with someone today, and you want to end this world, and that's why without any clarity you are breaking your home. You are very stubborn over here. You want to do something very badly, and you want to protect yourself, your home, your life. You are doing something over here. Why is this emperor is here in this situation? Why is this emperor is here in this situation? Where is here in this situation? Okay. To end your quarrel or to end your stress, what is happening next to them, my dear Scorpio? And you still want to leave that person. You are very stubborn at this moment. You are isolated. You are not talking to that person. You are fighting with them. Okay, you are demanding the truth, and that person is giving you the truth, but you are not looking at this thing. You think that they are liar, they are lying to you, and that is not true. I think that is not true. It may be at some time in the past, but now this is not true. They don't have anyone with them. What else? And you are determined to leave them. You are determined to have a separation. This is a stable relationship. You want the stable relationship with that person. You want to begin something new. You want to end this situation, this fighting, this quarrel. You want to end this, and you want to have a stable relationship with that person. What else is happening to my no love? You both have no love because of this battle, because of this fighting. Please don't fight with that person, or you are going to leave these all happiness. They love you a lot. You are happy with them, happy home life. Why are you doing this? Why are you untrusting them? Your worries are not going to end. Your hopes are not going to be proved. Your wishes are not going to be fulfilled unless you leave to hurt them, or you leave to untrust them. Empress. And at this moment you don't want to give that person anything from you, your love, your time, your you don't making any love with that person. You are, yes, you are hating that person. You have no love for that person. You are doing something very fastly over here. You are not taking your time to decide, to think, to revise your decision. You are just doing it. And with this Seven of Cups, now you have no desire. You have no desire, no love, no dreams for that person. You don't want to do anything with that person. You had made your mind towards that person that that person is not good. You are not a wise person. You are a foolish person with this card upside down. You are doing the foolishness over here. You are a loving person. Why are you doing this? Why are you not listening to that person? That person loves you. They don't have any third party situation in their life right now. They are only for you. And you are not looking at this situation. You are not thinking about it. You just don't want to trust on them. That is not good. What else? You are making foolishness. You are foolish over here. Yet you are not able to leave that person. You are not leaving that person. This relationship have no balance. You have to do a charity work. You have to forgive that person. With this card, if you have to do a charity work, that it also relates that you have to forgive that person. Give that person their time. Give that person to tell you what they want to tell you, what they have in their mind, and you have to trust that person. Make a trust on them. Otherwise, you don't have this loving relationship, or you are spoiled this situation. Nobody is here to stop you. You are not under anyone's control. Nobody is here to stop you. You are not wise with this card upside down. With this card upside down, you are not wise at this moment. The anger had eaten up your all wisdom, your all knowledge. You just want to see, but you want to see yourself. You are not seeing the truth. You don't want to see the truth. It's all about you. It's all because of you. Because you are doing these all things. Okay, you have no strength to change this situation because you don't want to see the truth in this situation. You just want to see what you are making in your mind. That is not good. What else? Are this relationship is going to heal? Is this relationship going to heal? Yes, sugar. Thanks God. I think this relationship is going to heal. What will happen, or how will this relationship is going to heal? Oh guys, okay. You have to leave your stubbornness. Okay. Stop fighting with that person. Stop untrusting them. Okay. Stop unlistening them. You have to leave your stubborn over here, and you have to stop living alone, thinking alone. Okay, deciding alone for yourself. You don't want to look towards any way that will lead you away from this person. You are not stuck over this situation. Don't think that you are stuck over this situation. You are stuck in this relationship. You are not stuck in this relationship. This person loves you. This person likes it. But that you think that this person have this third party situation, it's all in your mind. What else they have to do to end this quarrel, to make this relationship good? Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands, yes. Okay. With this card, stop. Okay, and you also have this four of swords upside down. But with this card, stop like that fighting. Stop to um, okay. Have with these two cards, you have to take a little time alone. I mean, you don't have to take any time alone. You, because when you take the time alone, thinking about this situation, thinking about something, about this person, you always think that this person have someone else without you, because you love them. You are doing this because you love them a lot, very deeply, and this will make you crazy. This thing make you crazy. You are crazy about this person, and because of this craziness, you think that this person always with someone else. They have someone else in their life. They are spending their time with someone else. This is keep going on in your mind. Whenever you are away from this person, you are alone, you are taking your time, you are just thinking about this situation. Leave this situation, leave this thoughts that they are with someone else. They are not having anyone else without else you. What else? Is this situation healed? May they be able to heal this situation. My dear Scorpio is able to heal this situation. Yes, you will do it. You can do it with hard work, with skilled work. When you change your mind, yourself, hardly working on it, you will do it. What else? What else? Anything else? Not all of these cards. I am taking just this. Yes, you are a lucky one that to have this person. You are lucky one that universe is looking at you. They are giving you the way to out of this bad condition. They are showing you the way with this reading to get out of this bad condition, to trust on others, to love others. They are telling you the way. They are showing you the way. The universe, Allah loves you. Allah loves you. Okay. I want to now we see what is in these cards. Yes. Emotion and intellect. You have to control your emotions, balance in your emotions and intellect. You are not able, you are a childlike person with this card. Your thoughts, you are very you want to do things very soon, very fast. Leave this thought of you to do something very fastly. Give others time to change their mind. Give yourself the time to think about anything clearly. Search about anything. And you have both of the things, love and fear. You have to balance it. Don't fear about anything in this situation. There is nothing to be afraid of. Love that person. Express your love to them. Don't take it in your heart, in your mind that you love them, and you are not showing them your love. Because of these all cards, you are just making them, feeling them they are bad. They are feeling with you that they are bad. They are not happy with you at this moment. You have to make them happy with you. Okay, you have to use your head with your heart to make easy this to make the ease in this relationship. And you are at this moment, you are ill, you have a disease of untrusting or unbelieving on that person. Okay, don't do it. Trust that person. You are a love goddess, sorry, or god. You don't have to do this. Yes, balance your emotions and intellect. This person is not bad, this person is very good, they loves you, they have only you in their life, but you think that they are cheating you. This is not the good thing. Change your thoughts. And then you have this five of earth card, and you are using the easy options in your life. You are gambling, you want to do things very soon, very fast. You want this person to change very fast. You are not changing yourself, but you want to change that person. You want everything in your life. You are gambling over here, making you don't make any honesty over this person. uh, you are trying new things on that person. Do you have that other girl or man in your life? Why are you late today? Who do you talk to on your cell phone? Okay, and you are taking unnecessary risks with this card. This is not necessary. You don't have to do it. You don't have to untrust that person. You are addicting to don't believe on others. You are addicting to it. You have a disease to don't believe on others, to don't trust others. You trust only on yourself. You think that you are the only person in the world who is the true person, who is the loyal person, who has every good of word in you. Okay, and the other persons are not good. They are not the trustable person, and you are blaming others for your own mistakes. You are blaming others. This is all because of you. This is all about you. You have to change your self to get some goodness from your life, from this relationship, or otherwise you are leading towards the separation. This person loves you a lot, cares for you a lot, but you are making your life miserable, thinking about that this person is cheating you. This person is not cheating you. Okay guys, this is all for you. For the first 15 days of October, you are doing all this. First you are happy, enjoying your life, then suddenly you change, and you are not enjoying your life, and fighting with others, fight whereas there is nothing to be fight, and that makes that person get away from you, far away, due to your own mistakes. Stop untrusting that person. Make your life and their life happy. That is all for you. Please like, share, subscribe this reading, and if you want to know, like, share and subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.